How to download Internet Download Manager and get extension. What is the usage of Internet Download Manager and why we need Internet Download Manager? Internet Download Manager is a tool to manage and schedule downloads. It can use full bandwidth. It has recovery and resume capabilities to restore the interrupted downloads due to lost connection, network issues, and power outages. Open your browser. Simply type IDM download. Click the first link, which is www.internetdownloadmanager.com. Click Try IDM for free. Your download will start in a minute. Wait until the download complete. After complete the download, right-click the file and run as administrator. That's all guys, you are all set. This is IDM interface. Now let me show you how do I enable extension in Chrome.
Hope you enjoy this video.
Do subscribe for further videos.